Hi everyone, welcome to Privies and Prims. This is a little side video, a floss tube extra. I'm going to show you how I transformed a basket. So I'm going to show a picture here of what the basket looked like when I bought it. And I got it at a antique mall. And then I had other plans for it. So when I bought it, I knew exactly what I was going to use it for. And I needed to paint it to use it for that. So this is the finish. This is a Brenda Gervais pattern, and I'm going to show you now how I painted this basket. It's completely different than what it was when I bought it, and I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Let me know if you have any questions. Just put them in the comments, and let me know if you've ever done anything like this. The flowers here are from Hobby Lobby, and they're just sitting in there, and this basket is a very unique one because it's not deep, so it's great for hanging on a peg rack. To hang it on the wall, actually, I tried to put it on, because how thick that handle is, it worked better on a peg rack than it did a nail, unless you had like a really long nail that you were putting on. But anyway, this is my finish, and I hope you like it. So here's the tutorial on how I painted it. I will see you on the next video. Check out my channel for more tutorials and floss tube videos. See you next time. Bye. So this is how I am transforming the thrift store, or actually I got this basket at an antique mall. I spray painted it black, and now I'm just dry brushing orange paint onto it. Some areas will have a heavier coat than others, and that's what happens when you dry brush, and that's okay. And then if I think it needs it, which I'm not sure it will, it's kind of soaking it in really good. But if I think it needs it, I'll put a wash of watered down black paint over it and then wipe it off. And that'll tone down the orange a bit. But I really don't think it'll need it. And this is the paint that I'm using, but you can use any craft paint. This is just what I had in my cabinet. So I'm going to get the top here. And when dry brushing, it doesn't cover the whole thing. It just kind of skims the parts that are sticking up higher than the others. And that is how I do it. And then this, I'm going to lay it on here, even though this is wet paint, because it's the back of the punch needle. So this will go on here. And that's how that'll be displayed. And then I will lay this down in case any wet paint got on it. I'll lay it the back side up. And that's how we do it. Now for the handle, it's solid black. So I'm going to really only have a little bit of paint on the brush. And just kind of skim it. I don't know how good that shows up. But I don't want to paint the handle solid black. I'm just skimming it a little bit just to give it, not solid black, but solid orange. This is a very primitive kind of rusty orange. See there, I got more than I want, so I'm going to spread it out. And I can also just take a paper towel and wipe it off if you get too much on there. And that's it.